Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a printer to your iPhone. Now, first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is tap on Wi-Fi here. Now, the way that your iPhone connects to the printer or communicates to it is through a Wi-Fi network. You can see I'm currently connected to my Luddites and Neolites Wi-Fi. The requirement is that your iPhone and the printer both need to be on the exact same network. So make sure your phone is connected to that, and then head over to the printer and make sure it's connected to that same Wi-Fi. After you've done that, let's open up an example. Let's say I'm printing out a recipe, and let's just tap on this one. You can see good old-fashioned pancakes, and I want to print this recipe. In this case, for all recipes, it has a little print button here, but I'll show you how to do it if there isn't a print button. You can see it just brings it to kind of a useful page for me to be able to print from. Now, to be able to print from any page, website, or maybe an image, we need to find the share button. So on Safari, it's hidden within those three dots. Tap on, let me get out of there. Tap on those three dots, and then there is that share button. It's a little arrow up with a box. From here, instead of sharing it or texting it, we're gonna just go towards the bottom, swipe down, and you can see here is a print icon. I can tap on that print icon, and it brings up this page. Now, if you don't necessarily see that share icon, it works a bit different for photos. Let's say like photos here. Again, there's that share icon. I can tap on it. And then there is always that print option. So again, just go through the process of finding that share icon, and then the print will be in there. Now, the nice thing is that your iPhone does a fantastic job of just recognizing the printers that are on your network, and you don't need to manually download any drivers. It will do it all in the background. So at the top, tap on printer here, and it should basically find any printers that are on your network. If it doesn't find a printer on here, then essentially you're just going to restart the printer, and again, make sure your iPhone and the printer are both on the same Wi-Fi network. You can see if I tap on the little eye right here, it'll give me more information about the supply levels, whether I'm low on ink, which I am kind of low on colored ink, and the model name, location, etc. Now, when you're ready to go, make sure that is selected, and then you can scroll down, choose to print in color, the copies. You can choose media and quality if you wanted to select a different media type or print quality. Basically, it's completely up to you, and when you're ready to go, just tap on that little blue print icon at the top right, and you will have printed the picture, recipe, whatever you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.